Hey guys, welcome back. All right, we are going into my shop, which is now totally empty because we are moving. So I emptied everything out of here, and I don't think I ever gave like a proper video of this space. When I first got in, I think I did a quick video, but we'll back out to the door here so you can look around. The room is 16 by 16. It's technically a hair smaller space-wise. And you see there's like weird fabric all over the walls. It's drywall. And the garage door is no longer. There's no garage door here anymore. It's just this double door. So there's a inner, like nice thick door, and then there's an outer glass door. And the room, if you look here, has been soundproofed. So there's a 6-inch layer of insulation in between two pieces of drywall, and including the ceiling, the whole thing. And it's awesome because when you're in here and you shut those doors, you cannot hear anything outside, and vice versa. So that means if I play guitar in here, it doesn't make the neighbors crazy. And my wife, who works, basically she would work right in that room right there. She couldn't hear me play guitar. I played really loud. And I could work in here. So all the videos where you see me at my workbench, that's where my workbench was, is right here. And then I have my loft up here. I have my bikes up there on those beams. I had some little pulley systems. And then I had printers here, like a desk, and then my CR10 S5. And then over here would like alternate. Sometimes I'd have costumes. And in this corner here, I had this weird like riser that I used as a desk. My desk was on top of it, so it's kind of like a loft for my work. So when I first moved here, I was doing architectural visualization for a company called Studio AMD that was in Rhode Island. So I would come in here and work, and my loft is up high. So if you see old videos of me and there's like a Star Wars sheet or whatever behind me, that was literally like right up here in that corner. But yeah, the guy who did all this work here, his name is Phil X, and he plays guitar for Bon Jovi now, which is pretty crazy. And he recorded a lot of stuff in this room for various bands. It's kind of neat to think that he did a bunch of cool creative stuff in here, and then I got to do a bunch of cool creative stuff in here. So leaving is a little bit bittersweet because this was kind of like my little laboratory where I'd figure a lot of things out. But we are moving to a new house, and my workshop space is more than twice the size of this, which is going to be really fun to set up. So I'm going to post a video soon. I've been taking videos of stuff we're doing to the house for the last 2 months, probably month and a half. And I'm going to just document all the renovation work and everything. And as I build out the shop, I'm going to definitely do that. We bought the new house, so I'm much more invested in making it cool. Like this space was cool, but it was kind of just like do what I need to do. And the new space, I'm going to try to really follow Adam Savage's lead and try to make everything have a cool place and make sure everything is organized and easy to get to. So hopefully that goes smoothly enough and gives me endless projects to do in that room. But yeah, last look. So for any of you who had never seen this space empty, this is what it looks like. And after tonight, I will not see it again, I don't think. So, try not to get too sappy here. But anyway, hope you kids have a good time, and I will talk to you soon. Bye!